The St. Lucia Athletics Association and the First National Bank St. Lucia Limited have entered the partnership extending some 18 unbroken years. We first approached the bank 18 years ago with the concept of them sponsoring the juvenile championships, commonly known in this country as the 13 and under games. Since then, we have seen the partnership grow over the years. Without such collaboration with the bank, we could not have been able to achieve what we have attained today, especially graduating the youngsters from the juvenile level to the international scene.
First National Bank has been a very strong supporter of the National Community Foundation. Every year at our annual fundraising event, the Telethon, they provide a very sizable contribution to the Community Foundation, which goes to support our young people and also the elderly in the community. They have also, in the last 2 years, come on board the NCF in terms of a new initiative that we have, Who We Setly See. Without hesitation, when the NCF approached First National Bank, they willingly came on board and said, yes, once it's the NCF, we will assist because we understand the value of the work that you do in the community.
And there is at least one commercial institution who have seen and share the vision of the St. Lucia Blind Welfare Association. And they have done so in very tangible way. And that is the First National Bank. They have through the years been associated with the St. Lucia Blind Welfare Association by making financial contribution annually to the association to help it support the various services that it's offering. But what has been really remarkable is the fact that they have not just restricted to making a donation annually, but their staff have also been involved.
Our relationship with First National Bank began in 2010 when we were struggling financially to continue to do the work that we do. And they answered our call for help with money. And this has greatly helped towards getting more therapists to come to St. Lucia to work with our enormous waiting lists of children who require therapy and intervention. As we know, the only way that these kids will reach their maximum potential is through early intervention, and it is with First National support that we can continue to provide the early intervention that we have been doing for the last 13 years.
First National Bank, here for you.